Imagine a vast cosmic junkyard filled with the leftover building blocks of our solar system. These are asteroids, rocky remnants from the dawn of time, orbiting our sun. They are not merely inert rocks. They are time capsules, holding clues to the very origins of planets, including our own. Most asteroids reside in the main asteroid belt, a vast region between Mars and Jupiter. However, gravitational nudges and collisions can send some on trajectories that cross paths with Earth. Their composition varies widely, from metallic iron-nickel to stony silicates and carbon-rich compounds. A specific class of asteroids known as near-Earth objects, or NEOs, are those whose orbits bring them within 1.3 astronomical units of the Sun. This proximity means their paths can intersect with Earth's orbit, making them objects of significant scientific and planetary defense interest. While millions of asteroids exist, only a fraction are classified as NEOs. The vast majority of these celestial wanderers pose no immediate threat. However, their sheer numbers and the dynamic nature of their orbits necessitate continuous vigilance. Understanding their populations and characteristics is a critical first step in planetary defense. Within the category of NEOs lies an even more critical subset, potentially hazardous asteroids, or PHAs. These are defined by two key criteria: their size and their close approach distance to Earth. A PHA must be larger than approximately 150 meters in diameter and have an orbit that brings it within 0.05 astronomical units of Earth. An object of this size could cause significant regional devastation or even global effects upon impact. The constant monitoring of PHAs is paramount, as their trajectories are meticulously calculated and updated. These are the asteroids that truly demand our attention and concern. The consequences of an asteroid impact vary dramatically with its size. Small objects, typically less than 25 meters across, usually burn up harmlessly in Earth's atmosphere, creating spectacular meteors. Larger objects, however, can cause significant damage. An object around 50 meters in diameter can produce an airburst, like the 1908 Tunguska event, flattening forests over vast areas. Objects hundreds of meters across can create impact craters, trigger tsunamis, and inject massive amounts of dust into the atmosphere, leading to global climate disruption. The Chicxulub impact, which led to the extinction of the dinosaurs, serves as a stark reminder of Earth's vulnerability to truly massive impacts. To protect our planet, a global network of telescopes and observatories is constantly scanning the skies. Programs like NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office lead these efforts, collaborating with international partners. Ground-based telescopes and space-based infrared observatories like NEOWISE play crucial roles. These dedicated sky surveys, such as ATLAS and PAN-STARRS, systematically search for unknown NEOs and track known ones. The goal is to discover as many of these objects as possible, as early as possible, to provide maximum warning time. This proactive approach is the cornerstone of planetary defense. Once an asteroid is discovered, its orbit is meticulously calculated and refined. This involves precise measurements over time, allowing scientists to predict its future trajectory with increasing accuracy. Gravitational influences from planets, especially Jupiter, can subtly alter an asteroid's path over decades or centuries. Long-term tracking is essential for identifying any potential close approaches or impact risks far into the future. The data gathered is shared internationally, fostering a collaborative global effort to understand and mitigate potential threats. This continuous orbital dance requires constant vigilance and sophisticated computational models. Should a dangerous asteroid be found on a collision course with Earth, several mitigation strategies are being developed. The primary goal is always deflection, not destruction. Destroying an asteroid could create multiple smaller, still dangerous fragments. One promising method is the kinetic impactor, where a spacecraft deliberately collides with the asteroid to alter its velocity and subtly shift its orbit. Another concept is the gravity tractor, using the gravitational pull of a nearby spacecraft to gently tug the asteroid off course over time. Research also explores using lasers or nuclear explosions to ablate material from the asteroid's surface, creating a propulsive thrust. Our understanding of asteroids and our capabilities to detect and potentially deflect them are constantly advancing. International cooperation is strengthening, recognizing that planetary defense is a shared responsibility. Missions like NASA's DART, the Double Asteroid Redirection Test, are crucial steps. DART successfully demonstrated the kinetic impactor technique, proving our ability to alter an asteroid's trajectory. While no known asteroid poses an immediate threat, the universe is dynamic and unpredictable. Continued investment in research, technology, and global collaboration is vital to ensure humanity's long-term safety from these cosmic wanderers.